Hello YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I transplant my tomato seedlings into my raised garden bed. Let's get started. So as you can see, I've already prepared the raised garden bed. You can watch videos on how I do that in the channel. And I made a horizontal opening in the soil. I am adding some Epsom salt to it. It's magnesium sulfate. It helps the plant in various ways. Increased photosynthesis, chlorophyll in the leaves makes them more bushier, and increased flower set on the plant, which helps get more yield from the plant. And then we carefully remove the packaging material around the seedling, which in my case is an organic milk carton. And then we gently remove the seedling from that and place it in the opening that we have created, making sure not to damage the root system or the main stem of the plant. Then we remove the bottommost branches, which are closer to the ground. We don't want that because that can make the plant disease prone. And then we cover it up gently with the soil. If you notice carefully, I am making sure that the main stem of the plant is resting on the support structure, which is behind the garden bed. That's a trellis. The reason why I'm doing that is the plants that I am transplanting into my garden bed are indeterminate varieties, which is basically another way of saying that they keep growing until frost kills them at the end of the season. So they need a lot of support because these are a Roma tomato variety, and the fruit is pretty heavy and they're so big, and we don't want the branches or the fruit to be destroyed by wind or rain or hail, right? So that's the reason why it's very important to set up a support structure for these big seedlings that we are transplanting into the garden bed. You can tie them up with garden string or any other supporting mechanism, or you can actually the way I like to support these plants next to the trellis is, if you notice, there is a gap between the bars of the trellis system. So as the plant is growing, you can gently wave the branches of the tomato plant. Yes, you heard that right. You can weave the tomato plant as it is growing through those openings, like it is a vine, right? That makes sure that the plant never sways in the wind, stays in its place, and the heavy branches don't swing much, and then you can prevent wind damage in that way. And then we're done. So we repeat the same process for the rest of the plants in the garden bed, and fast forward it for your entertainment and viewing pleasure. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment section of the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share it with folks who might be interested in this content. Thanks.